So interesting fact number one about Mandy, she loves Starbucks. So much so she's got her own cup and she takes it into the Starbucks with her because it gets her like 10p off or 20p off or something like that. So yeah, and I do love the little cinnamon buns as well, so that's my thing, but I don't drink coffee. Cinnamon bun. So it's just a quick weekend away really this weekend. Test out the van a bit more, and more importantly use up the LPG, because apparently we found out when we got to go to France, Eurotunnel won't let us on unless we've got no more than 80% of the tank full. And it's still 100%, so going along from the Scotland trip when we put 43p in, it's still full. So just watching the video right now, actually I'm editing the video as we speak, and the Gasset thing, I've got a bit of an update, so I thought I'd interject with the update. I've spoken to Gasset, and they said that their systems are specifically designed for this Eurotunnel rule, which means that when you fill up their tank, it's actually only accepting 80% of the possible liquid that could be fit in there. So I'm guessing they've built in some sort of baffle in there, which means that you can't fill the tank actually totally full, and that the pressure builds up inside, so it prevents it from filling up the extra 20%. Then obviously you're safe and you comply with the Eurotunnel rule. So if you didn't know that already, and apparently even the gauge, even though it says 100%, is actually 100% of its legal capacity, which is 80% of its actual capacity. Hope that makes sense. Kind of did to me once they've explained it and why they did it that way. Very clever, and I would hope that once we get to Eurotunnel we can show them that it's a Gasset system and they'll understand that that's kind of like now safe and legal. So back to the studio. Oh no, I'm in the studio. Yeah, back to the live broadcast.
And it's super efficient, this van.
It is. We've got
Gosh,
everything.
damn it.
Everything on the heating. It's summer. We've got shorts and everything because we've got the heating on, trying to use up the gas.
It seems very wasteful, but you know, needs must. We have to go to France.
Yeah.
And of course, it's a pre-Father's Day visit.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's also a good important thing too.
So we stayed last night. When was it? Upton on 7.
Upton up on 7.
Upton up on 7. Little car park, overnight stop. In all the books, you know, like your park for night, parkings, camper stops, all that, it says park up overnight, no problem. As soon as you get there, you put your money in the machine, it says no camping overnight.
And no sleeping and cooking.
No, yeah.
So
But we stayed there anyway, no one bothered us.
we only flaunted one rule, didn't we? We just slept, we didn't do anything else.
No, I basically got there dead late. It was great driving down really late at night, so you miss all the traffic. Slept over, and then yesterday we went on, what's it called, the Great
GWSR, isn't it? It's the Gloucestershire Warwickshire Steam Railway.
Right then, there we go. So we went on that one and tried a few little angles of the camera and the Osmo, and I think the Fusion is probably going to be best out of all that one, because we put it on the long pole, stuck it out the window, and then it allowed you to see like the countryside and the whole train, including the steam engine and all that kind of stuff.
We were in the first cabin as well, weren't we?
Yeah, behind the what carries the coal, and then you got the engine.
Yeah.
How it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion, lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all. when we're older, they will still stand tall. Things time will tell, we might never know.
We're not train nerds or anything like that. Yeah, we weren't first class, but apparently there was a Jobsworth conductor who was like the most like officious person ever.
Yes.
Is officious the right word?
Officious is, that's the word that Christine was using, and it's a good word.
Yeah, the most officious person ever. So Mandy's dad's partner Christine is a member of the charity that runs it, and she helps out. So she has a pass that gets her on for free. So we all pay first class, and she shows a pass, and the officious conductor says, "You should know dogs aren't allowed in first class carriages, being a member of this organisation."
Nobody questions Christine.
No, Christine's like, yeah.
So
anyway,
that was fun. But we moved. We were good. We moved into a non-first class carriage for the return journey. But it was a cracking little train.
Yeah, it's good.
It was literally
I'm not a train nerd or anything like that, but it was interesting listening, because we travel on the train to London and around Manchester and stuff, and most of the trains we use are electrified trains. So when we kind of like, you're getting on the steam train and all you can hear is the push rod and all that, and
it's great with these sound effects. You love it.
The clanking of all the brass fittings as they like compress against each other. It was brilliant.
What was it the train made? I know, but what was the
woo woo.
But he's not a train nerd.
No, not one of these people you see on the platform. If you do travel by train, you'll probably see them at weekends or even during the week, I don't know. You see them on the platform, and they're right at the end of the platform, they've got loads of cameras out, and they're writing notes down. Oh, that's the 720 from Hastings, and it's using locomotive GD834. Yeah, I'm not like that.
No.
I like to take the mickey out of them, though.
Which is highly unfair, but you know.
Yeah, if you're one of those people, are you?
Yeah. And keep up with your hobby. It's a good hobby.
Yeah, we wave at you.
Yeah, every time.
Yeah. So yeah, like that one. And then we stayed last night at the Gardener's Arms, which is in Alderton, is it?
Alderton, yep. It's a Britstop stop.
Yep, Britstop stop. Loads of cars here and stuff like that. Loads of other campers there.
Yeah.
Lovely food, absolutely dog friendly. So if you're ever in the area, in your camper van, whatever, come here, dead easy. They'll let you in, dogs, no dogs, whatever.
It's
great
worthwhile
food.
Phoning up because it is popular for the parking. There were 3 others here last night.
Yeah, and it was full. So 3 vans, and it was pretty much full because one of the vans was towing a VW up, which is quite weird because it wasn't a big van anyway, and it's towing a little car. So,
but one of the parking spaces where we'd stayed previously is now a Tesla vehicle charging spot there.
Don't condone drinking and driving.
No, not in the slightest.
However, towing the car thing with the van, I did see a lovely AC Cobra replica yesterday at Morrison's petrol station, and I did say to Mandy that we should tow that in this van as our like little runaround car.
Don't know. We're going to put the dog though.
In the back somewhere, little harness.
There's no back.
Okay.
But the pub's brilliant. It's got a dog menu, so you can have sausage and rice or chicken and rice for £2, which was really good.
Yeah.
And Cooper managed to find all the chicken.
Yeah, and a little bit of the rice.
Yeah.
There was rice in his ears and rice on the floor, but I don't think he ate much of it.
No, but no, it was really nice food, really good little stop. And it's quiet as anything.
And what was the cider?
Stowford Press.
Yeah, which if you remember the last time that we did a little vlog and we had cider, there was a bit of a giddy mince. Outtakes TV.
Oh, brilliant.
Which is the reason why it's now the day after.
Yeah, we didn't want to do a 2 giddy bright red cheek shot.
Yeah. Because you guys don't want to see us all drunk.
Oh, you don't.
No. So yeah, that was it. A bit of a pre-Father's Day trip out in the van. Bits and bobs, bit of a steam train visit, and some lovely countryside. Lovely Gloucestershire countryside.
Aye, it's cool.
So thanks for watching.
Yep.
We'll catch you on the next one. Happy travels.
Bye.
Bye.